Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to create a study schedule. A study schedule is a plan that outlines when and where you will study, and what you will study each day. Having a study schedule can help you stay organized and on track with your studies, and it can also help you improve your grades. Here are the steps involved in creating a study schedule. 1. Analyze your current study habits and learning style. What are your strengths and weaknesses as a student? What are your preferred ways of learning? Once you know how you learn best, you can start to create a schedule that works for you. 2. Plan how much time you need to study for each class. The amount of time you need to study for each class will vary depending on the course material and your learning style. However, a good rule of thumb is to plan for 2 hours of study for every hour of class time. 3. Schedule your study sessions. When and where will you study each day? It's important to choose a time and place where you can focus and concentrate without distractions. Set realistic goals for each study session. What do you want to accomplish in each study session? Break down your goals into manageable chunks so that you don't get overwhelmed. 4. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout. Get up and move around, or take a few minutes to relax and clear your head. Review your schedule regularly. As your schedule changes, be sure to update your study schedule accordingly. 5. Evaluate your current schedule and time management. How much time do you have available for studying each week? What other commitments do you have, such as work, extracurricular activities, or family obligations? Once you know how much time you have, you can start to allocate it to your studies. Creating a study schedule can be a great way to improve your grades and stay organized with your studies. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create a study schedule that works for you and helps you achieve your academic goals. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more study tips and tricks.